Which 4K dash cam with built-in GPS is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig deeper to find the right fit. Today, we're sifting through the noise to help you make the best choice. Product number 1, 70mm A800 SE dash cam. Let's kick things off with the 70mm A800 SE. Priced at $85.49, this dash cam caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive features. If you want a reliable camera that captures every detail on the road, this is worth a serious look. This is essential if you ever find yourself in a dispute or need to provide evidence for insurance claims. On top of that, it has superior night vision thanks to a large f1.55 aperture and dual HDR technology, giving you peace of mind during night drives. With 2,200 reviews averaging 4.5 stars, people rave about its clarity in low-light conditions. Now, some users mention that the installation can be a bit tricky, especially for those who aren't tech-savvy. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the 70mm A800 SE is pretty straightforward to use and offers fantastic ongoing support from the brand. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality dash cam at a reasonable price. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler installation process or want something more budget-friendly without all the bells and whistles. Now, if the installation concerns you, the next option is designed for effortless setup. Product number 2, FAIME 3-channel dash cam. Next up is the FAIME 3-channel dash cam, retailing at $87.20. Its triple recording feature caught my attention right away. If you're someone who wants comprehensive coverage inside and outside your vehicle, this one's definitely worth considering. This dash cam records in 4K UHD in the front, 2K inside, and another 2K at the back. This means you're covered from every angle, which is crucial for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants to prevent fraud. With a 170 degrees front lens and 150 degrees rear lens, you minimize blind spots effectively. The night vision capabilities are also impressive, ensuring you still get clear footage in low-light situations. Plus, it includes a built-in GPS that tracks your speed and route history, which is a game changer for accountability. Now, some users have pointed out that the app can be a bit slow at times. But for me, the high-quality footage and comprehensive coverage make it a worthwhile trade-off. This is a great option if you want extensive coverage and don't mind a learning curve with the app. Skip this if you're looking for something more user-friendly right out of the box. And for the price, it really offers solid value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're looking for affordability without sacrificing quality. Product number 3, FAIME Dual Dash Cam. Coming in at $74.09, we have another FAIME product, the Dual Dash Cam. What grabbed my attention here is the excellent price-to-performance ratio. If you want high-definition recording without breaking the bank, this one deserves your attention. This dash cam captures stunning 4K UHD footage in the front and 2K in the rear. The night vision capabilities are enhanced with WDR technology, ensuring you won't miss crucial details even in low light. It also features a built-in GPS tracker to help you verify incidents and optimize your driving routes. However, some people reported that the included 64 GB card isn't enough if you plan to record a lot. Here's the thing. It supports up to 256 GB, so you can always upgrade your storage as needed. This is perfect for you if you need quality recording on a budget. Skip this one if you plan on storing a lot of footage without upgrading. It's a solid value for the features offered. Now, if you're looking for something with upgraded tech and performance, the next product might just hit the spot. Product number 4, AFIR A4 Dash Cam. Next up is the AFIR A4 Dash Cam, priced at $63.99. What stood out to me is its upgraded features and impressive quality for the price. If you're searching for a feature-packed dash cam that won't empty your wallet, this one is worth considering. This dual dash cam records in 4K UHD in the front and 2.5K in the rear. The 160-degree wide-angle view captures more of your surroundings, which is crucial for accident forensics. The improved night vision means you'll still have clear footage even after dark. Plus, it includes built-in GPS so you can track your speed and route history, which is perfect for keeping records. The 64 GB card is a nice touch, allowing you to start recording right out of the box. Some users found that the parking mode requires a separate hardwire kit, which can be an additional expense. But honestly, for the features and the price, it's still a fantastic value. This is a good fit for you if you want a solid dash cam with modern features. Skip it if you don't want to deal with extra installation costs. In terms of value for money, it's hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more brand reputation, let's check out the next option. Product number 5, Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. Lastly, we have the Rove R2 4K Dash Cam priced at $74.99. This one has a solid reputation and for good reason. If you want a reliable camera from a trusted brand, this might be your best bet. The Rove records in stunning 4K UHD and features a built-in GPS that logs your speed and location. The night vision is impressive, thanks to its f1.5 aperture and 6 glass lens that ensure clarity in low-light situations. It's also user-friendly with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing for quick video sharing and management via the Rove app. However, some users have noted that it doesn't come with a memory card, which can be a bit of a bummer. But the thing is, it supports up to 512 GB, so you have plenty of options for expansion. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, high-quality dash cam from a trusted brand. Skip this if you're looking for something that includes a memory card right out of the box. For the price, it's a solid investment in safety and security. To wrap it up, we've explored 5 solid options for 4K dash cams with built-in GPS. Each has its own strengths. The 70mm A800SC is great for quality, the FAIME 3-channel excels in coverage, the FAIME Dual is budget-friendly, the AFIR A4 packs features, and the Rove R2 4K has brand reliability. Choose the one that best fits your needs and drive with confidence.